Beginner-friendly nga ba ang Mount Ulap? Tara, come hike Mount Ulap with me. So from Manila to Benguet, we drove 6 hours including stopovers. So this was at the jump-off area. We did the registration and the briefing. Guys, medyo nakakabigla yung simula ng trail. Yung tipong kagigising mo lang sa biyahe tapos puro assault agad. Simula pa lang ito ang ating kalbaryo. To be honest, mas nakakapagod siya kasi ang init. Sir, magkano po yung burger?
50 lang po.
Campsite 1 na! So after 1.5 hours, we finally reached Camp 1. Also, we are very grateful again for the good weather. For beginners, it's a must to invest in a good pair of hiking shoes. We finally reached Campsite 2. 3 hours in, we finally reached Campsite 2. And this is where the famous Gungal Rock is. Tagal namin nag-antay pero we got our drone shots done. At ayan, may dinosaur pa nga sa Mount Ulap. Guys, may tourist attraction. Sa mga picture area kami nagtagal kasi kailangan pang pumila. And ayan, ganyan yung trail kaya kailangan magdoble ingat. And also medyo lumalamig na din. Kanina lang sobrang maaraw at sobrang init. Pero ngayon, puro ulap na lang. Mount Ulap Summit! Zero visibility? Nakit na po natin ang Mount Ulap at hindi na po mauulit ulit. Joke lang syempre, it's always fun. And overall, ang ganda pa rin ng view. We took our photos and videos and we started descending. This is Traverse, by the way. And some might say that the descent is the real enemy. At this point, ang lamig din ng temperature kaya niisip namin, bilisan pababa kasi baka umulan pa. And ayan, meron nga talagang bulaluhan sa pagbaba ng ulap. Kumain lang at nagpahinga ng konti at nag-CR and lumarga na kami. Yan yung moment na busog ka tapos tanghaling tapat tapos gusto mo na lang matulog. And ganito yung trail pababa. Basag ang tuhod. I would say na you really have to be prepared for this. Mount Ulap is 1,846 meters above sea level and the trail difficulty is 3 out of 9. So yes, it's beginner friendly pero you should not underestimate it. Ito yung point na akala mo malapit ka na sa finish line.
Kim, taray ka na.
Siya nakakabit? Huh? Gagi, hindi nakakabit. And finally, the best view of the hike. Final na! We survived na! Uwi na! We just showered and got ready for our 6-hour drive back to Manila. And that's our journey climbing Mount Ulap. Bye!